company car. Get the jet out of here. Oh yeah, that's all the cars.
It's bagged. It's bagged. I think it's bagged, bro.
But like I've driven like that when I put half the order in it one day, the other day I put half. Looked hilarious.
No, see, he's going for that whole
Yeah, I knew it was bagged.
I was wondering why it was sitting so high.
That's why.
Man, look at that.
Dude, nice bags, bro.
Thank you.
What kind of bags are those, dog?
They're the airlift struts with 3-piece setup.
Does the car have to be running?
Right now my airlift's kind of all up,
Yeah.
so it's permanently on. But I'm just gonna send it to my shop and get it fixed.
Okay, so you have to have it on right now.
Right now it's hot wired to the battery,
Gotcha.
so it's permanently on. So
Yeah.
all the time. But normally it's on ignition.
Right. That's crazy. Woo! Yeah, boy! How many inches is that?
No idea, man.
That's sick. That's sick, man.
Yeah, it's full air out.
Woo! That's full air out.
That's full air out.
Damn. That is amazing. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, good job, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, good job. So it's like sitting on the frame right now.
Right now
Technically.
it's sitting here on the like the wheel wells,
Yeah.
but my exhaust is on the ground as well.
Yeah, boy.